Hi everybody, it's the beginning of week 6, and I just want to go over what we're going to be doing this week in this welcome to week 6 screencast. Um, so this week we're going to go back and review some basic essay concepts that it's important for you to understand and integrate into your essay. Those are thesis statements, introductions, and conclusions, and I know we've talked about that a little bit, but I just want to make sure that you guys really get that because I kind of feel like some of you guys are still just trying to figure that out. And for the same reason, we're going to go back and review how to integrate quotations because I think some of you are still struggling with that a little bit. We're going to talk about the pattern, the rhetorical pattern of comparative analysis. And I'm going to give you the comparative analysis paper assignment and have you pre-write on those paper assignments on the one of your choice in the journal for this week. Um, and then we're going to end the week with the midterm. So the midterm, I don't want you to stress out about, but it's double the value of the quizzes. So you really should get it done. It's 20 points instead of 10 points. And it's all pretty much a review of the vocabulary that we did um, during the semester. Most of you guys who took that quiz did a really good job with when I gave you the terminology um, test a couple of weeks ago. Now I'm asking you to put those definitions in your own words. All of the quizzes and tests this semester are open book because we're an online course. But it will take you more time than usual to complete this quiz. So you'll notice that this week I'm giving you a little bit less work. I'm not asking you to read quite as much. Um, so I'm asking you to read about introductions and conclusions, about uh, comparative analysis, and about writing thesis statements. I'm also asking you to read one essay, and that's the Bruce Catton essay, Grant and Lee, as Study and Contrast, so we can look at what a comparative analysis is and use this as a model. Other than that, I've given you a date to try to get caught up on assignments that are past due. And I'm really kind of slimming down on the daily activities I'm asking you to complete because I know quite a few of you guys have a lot to do to get caught up. And I would really love to see you do that. Please use all of the support that you can this week, especially if your grade is under 70 right now. Remember that I do daily check-ins. If your grade is below 70, look for a little uh, uh, invitation to join me in Teams on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll do the same thing on Tuesday, Thursday during office hours. I'll send you an invitation to come and work with me Tuesday and Thursday from 3 to 4. Use this opportunity because we're running out of time and the semester will be over in 4 weeks, 4 full weeks, and we'll be done. But there's a lot of work to do between now and then, so please use support if you're having trouble getting assignments completed. And as usual, email me if you have any questions. All right, see you on Tuesday if I don't check in with you on Monday.